I wish you happiness. I wish you dreams and aspirations to spread your wings and reach for the stars. I wish you courage and strength, for the magic begins at the end of your comfort zone. I wish you imagination and creativity, for the world is a blank canvas to paint your masterpiece. I wish you adventure and curiosity to go where there is no path and leave a trail. I wish you health and well-being, for they are worth more than all the riches in the world. I wish you peace and tranquility to listen to the birds and gaze at the stars. I wish you knowledge and wisdom, for they are the foundations of a successful life. I wish you grit and resilience to never ever give up. I wish you success and prosperity to trust yourself and your ability to succeed. I wish you luck and opportunity, for the more you try, the luckier you get. I wish you faith and hope to believe everything will be all right. I wish you family and friendships, for they are life's greatest sources of happiness. I wish you joy and laughter to laugh long and loud until you gasp for breath. I wish you kindness and generosity, for no act of kindness is ever wasted, no matter how small. I wish you love and affection to fill your beautiful heart with an ocean of joy. I wish you all those wonderful things, but most of all, I wish you happiness.